Hello you guys, welcome to this video. So excited that you're here. My name is Kaylee and we are just going to be going over some keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro to just help you guys edit your videos a little bit faster and get to the final project quicker. So the first thing we have, first shortcut, is Command K. What Command K does is it will split a video for you. Say I want this to be in two different sections. If I want to split just the video, I will click on the video box and I can click Command K and that splits the video. So I can drag a separate part and then we have two separate videos instead of one. This works the same for audio. You can either click on the audio or just click on nothing and it'll split it where this cursor aligns. If I press Command K, see how the video has split as well. So now there's two separate sections for each of them. If you want to split the video and the audio in the same spot, you can just line them up like this and press Command K again and it will split both of them. Another shortcut we have is how to play or pause what you have. So there's a play button up here that you can press, but that's not efficient. So something you can do is just simply press the space bar, and now you can also press the K key, both of which will play and pause the video. As far as playing and pausing, you can also rewind or reverse and go forward. To rewind, you're going to press the J key and that will play your video backwards. You can see the couple, it looks like they're walking backwards, kind of silly. And you can still use the shift key to pause that. And as far as going forward, you can press the L key. It'll bring you forward. Easy way to remember is that when you look at the letters J and L, J is kind of pointed to the left and L is pointed to the right. So that's a good way to remember that. Another thing that can be helpful is if you press the A key, you can see that a new arrow icon shows up. And what this does, it just makes it easier to select everything. If you want to add a filter, do something specific to everything, you can do that. And to get out of it, you can press V and it will go back to your regular mouse. And so something to be noted is that it's a lot harder to select multiple things if you just have the mouse. You can also click and drag and that will select everything, but it's more of what you prefer. The last thing we're going to show you guys today is how to add text. You know, when you get into this menu, it can be kind of confusing. So an easy way to do that is just simply do Command T for text. And you'll see a little pink box shows up here, and there's also a text layer in the video. So you can play with that and add different fonts or colors, sizing. It will also be right there. So if you want to make it last longer or shorter, so you want it to last for a really long time, you can do that. One more thing we have is making a video transition. So the default transition is you use Command D, and the key is that you have to have that red cursor lined up. So when you press Command D, you can see there's a little tiny thing right there which will fade in the text actually. You can kind of see how the text faded in. So that will work for video as well. If I do Command D, take a look at this. We can move it out there so we can actually see. And then we press Command D and we'll be able to see. Yep, so you can see how it faded in. And then as far as audio, you can also do Command Shift D, and this will create an audio transition, which just basically fades in the music, fades out the music. So we see the little button there. Just going to give you an example. Yep, so you can hear the audio fading in. And that is what we have for you guys today. I hope this was helpful. I hope that it can be applied when you're making your next video and that you even will save a little bit of time. Thank you guys.